Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it's a daily vlog part 15 and today we are going to make a beef momo. When I came down from my room, my mom, they already started making beef momo. So beef momo was also a requested video. So yeah, we are making beef momo. So I'll show you each and every process, and if I can I'll do a little mukbang. So I hope you'll enjoy my video. So if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for your love and support. Love me more. Hi, so now I'm going to do a little type of mukbang with this beef momo, as this is also a requested video by Sonam. So yeah, Sonam, last time we made a veg momo and Sonam wanted me to have a beef momo. So yeah, I'm having beef momo, so I'm gonna do a little mukbang with this beef momo. So this is the momo which I have in my plate. It's like 12 momo is there inside this plate, and I have this beef soup. Shit, man. I have this beef soup and this chutney. So, yeah. So now I'm gonna start. The momo is good. Never mind. This ch- this chutney is made by my father. Is damn delicious, and he's very good at making this one, because in my last video also, like, I mean, he, in my, like, if you see, scroll down, you will see my father making a Nutella achar. He made it very tasty and very delicious. Even the achar is so good and so delicious. Mm. By the way, this is for my lunch. Even the soup is so. These days, like, I'm getting a lot of requests about the video, so I'm trying to do each and everything. But like, if you also have some suggestion for my video, let me know. I'll do it. And also let me know, like, if you like this kind of video, like doing mukbang and all, I'll make it. Just let me know in the comment section, like, if you want me to see eating, I'll eat and gain more weight. I'm so full right now. Only one momo is left in my plate now. So I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna skip my dinner. If I can, I'll skip my dinner because I'm so full right now. कति रहेछ हौ मोमो चाहिँ
15, 16 वटा छ
So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay at home, and keep watching.